Hey everybody, it's Pam, and today I'm going to show you a way to decorate these cute little bunnies. Now, these blanks are available in my Etsy shop, and they will come to you as blanks, and you can get them either in a 12-inch or an 8-inch. And I'm going to show you just a way that you can decorate these. I'm going to do one with paint, and I'm going to do the other one with scrapbook paper. But you can do like designs on your bunny. You can, if you have a vinyl machine, you can add words to the bunny. You can use tissue paper. You can use a napkin. There's all kind of ways you can decorate these bunnies. And that's the fun of them, right? That you can buy them blank and you can make them and customize them however that you want to. All right, these are just ideas I'm giving you. I painted one, and now I have the scrapbook paper, and I'm just sanding it off on the edges, and I'm going to show you what I did with them. Now, I'm going to put like bows around like their neck area, but you can put like a bow on the top where their ears are. I'm using fabric that I'm tearing to give it that rustic or kind of the grunge look or whatever. And I'm using this for the bow on the little bunny here. You can use ribbon, you can use twine, you can use, not jute. Well, I mean, you can use jute. I'm trying to, the stuff that looks like hay. My mind, I can't think of what it is. Raffia, sorry. And I do use raffia on the bigger bow. So this is just another way, something different, and a way to show you how you can decorate and the different products you can use to decorate these bunnies. So I decided to pull out some fabric. I have a ton of it. Might as well use it, right? And the green was perfect. It brought out the green that's on the pattern of this scrapbook paper, which, by the way, came from Hobby Lobby. And I thought it was a perfect little touch, an 8-inch bunny. I didn't want to go over the board with it and keep it pretty simple. And I think using this fabric as the bow was the perfect little touch. And you'll see here, I mean, look how cute that is. Isn't that super cute? And now here is the raffia, the word I couldn't remember. And I'm just going to tie a big bow. You got to hold on to that raffia so you don't lose anything. And we're just going to tie a bow here. I probably used a little bit more strips of raffia than I probably needed to, but it ends up working out in the end, and it turns out to be super cute. And then on top of the raffia, I am going to use some ribbon that I got off of Amazon, but this ribbon has carrots on it. If you look at Michael's, they probably have something. The Dollar Tree, I know I saw ribbon with carrots on it. I'm trying to think. Anywhere online, you can probably look and see. But or you can use fabric, or you can use regular ribbon. Whatever you want to do is completely fine. But for this project, I'm going to use some carrot ribbon that I got off of Amazon. And I think that particular ribbon is sold out on Amazon. So there's my little bow. It's a little flimsy, but I think I can make it work. This, it's just regular ribbon. It doesn't have wire or anything in it. And I'm just going to straighten that up. And then I have some wired jute, or it looks like jute. And I made these little swirly things with them. And I'm just going to stick 3 of them in there, 2 on the top and 1 coming out the bottom. And it just adds another little texture to it. And then in the end, you'll see I end up adding a carrot to the center of that bow, and it just kind of sets it off perfectly. But yeah, so if you are interested in the blanks, they are available in my Etsy shop, Pam's Craft Boutique. So give them a try. If you like to do your own DIYs, this little project would be perfect. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Have a great night, everybody.